Welcome back. So now that I'm just about completed with the construction of my new workshop/lab, I'm hoping to get some projects started. The whole renovation took a little bit of time, but I tried to log it the best I could. Hopefully in a couple weeks I'll be able to put together a video to show you the before and afters, so you can have an idea of what I've done, maybe give you some ideas for things you could do. Before the construction started, or renovation, whatever you want to call it, I spent a little bit of time. I went through some YouTube videos, EEV blog, just Google in general, Reddit, all the usual sources. Just trying to get some ideas to inspire myself, see what equipment you need. As far as layout, stuff like that, I got plenty of good ideas. There's plenty of people on YouTube. You could just, search on YouTube how to make a workshop. As far as what new tools and equipment goes, that was really tough. I spent a whole bunch of time watching some YouTube videos, reading through blogs, Googling, just trying to see what possible things I could need. A lot of equipment that I may need, or basic stuff that people need, I already had. I have my 3D printers, I have plenty of power tools, cutting tools, a CNC machine, some basic electronic stuff. I have a basic Rigel oscilloscope, I have a couple benchtop power supplies, soldering station, all the essentials to be able to get things done. As far as projects go, I'm going to do a couple more kits. Just as you saw in my previous video, this Tesla coil plasma arc speaker. I have this simple wave generator I ordered off AliExpress. We'll see how good it is. It supposedly can make some square waves, sine waves, triangle waves. A couple friends of mine asked me to do some simple projects with 555 timers, some stepper projects, some simple stuff. And I'll work my way up with my ADD. Sometimes a project too big gets half done, and it takes me a year to circle back, such as a 3D printer I'm working on. Hopefully I'll get that completed and put in a video. I have a CO2 laser cutter I'm working on, and a 3D printed electric violin. I'm hoping to get all those done within the next couple of weeks so I can move on to bigger and better things. Because there are plenty of resources out there to teach things at a low level, I'm not going to. I'm going to keep things at the highest level possible to make sure your brain doesn't hurt and keep it fun. This way you could do the same projects as me. Hopefully every Tuesday I should be able to post a video of a completed project. As for my larger projects, such as the 3D printer I'm working on, CNC mill, CO2 laser cutter, and the 3D printer electric violin, I'll release those as multiple videos for the project instead of one start to finish, as they take a considerable amount of time to do, and I may bounce around between projects. And Thursdays, I'll post a video similar to this, where I'll talk about what I have going on and give my feedback on some things that I've come across and lessons I've learned along the way. I've made plenty of mistakes, wasted a lot of money buying components, different boards without doing the research first. So hopefully through my learning, I could save you guys some pain.